If we don't evolve with technology and provide the solutions that customers are looking for, then they look at us as part of the problem instead of part of the solution.
We're seeing transformational change in all these different areas, and something that underpins all that change is technology. To be successful, we need to be successful at that foundation. And a big part of that foundation is the data. And I've always said that, those utilities who master their data and leverage that for information are the ones that will be really successful in these transformative efforts.
Behind the meter information is critical to helping create a win-win solution for both utilities and the consumers. By creating a flexible demand scenario where consumers are able to adopt solar and electric vehicles and batteries, but making those assets available back to the utilities for helping them in the grid load balancing is critical. But that cannot be done unless you know behind the meter assets who has the EV, who is buying the EV, who is putting the batteries.
We're pulling that smart meter data to be able to build load profiles per customer, to be able to see what's happening behind the meter and in the homes, really to give us that visibility on what's happening on the grid. And it allows us to do load flows and be able to see load flows in real time.
We have so much of a rich data that is coming through our smart meters. So we are using multiple ways in dissecting the data and with using the analytics that is helping advance both from the grid reliability perspective, operationalization from a grid analytics, as well as the customer analytics to design and implement the programs.
The more we can understand what a specific customer's needs are or opportunities are, and we can target, the better off that communication is, and then we can help them achieve their needs. Technology just gives us the insights we need to work with our customers.
Our customers are investing in new technologies. How do you optimize what the customer is putting in a way that not only benefits them, but benefits the utilities, the grid, but also benefit, our communities? The more we can co-optimize what the customer is putting in to the benefit of the community, I think that's really where it's at.
Educating the operations of the assets on the power that the IT team can provide us if we can speak that language. They're the new foundation, the fundamentals to really empowering our assets, not only the assets that we have and giving more life and finding more capacity than we didn't realize we had, but also creating that intelligence and insight of where we go next.
Taking technology, applying it, such that we have then no surprise. We know what's going to happen the next hour, the next 2 hours, the next 24 hours. And we operate a system that real time gives us forecasts. I think that's really the future, but it takes technology, it takes the analytics behind it.